Have you ever had a milky, fruity, creamy, delicious ABELEWALLS recently? Yes, the mangoes in these ABELEWALLS gives it sweet, refreshing, fruity taste, whilst the coconut adds its intense creaminess plus the much loved tropical flavor. So I kindly ask you to stay with me throughout this video so you do not miss anything, because I'm about to share with you the most delicious ABELEWALLS ever. Welcome to my kitchen. If you are new here, please consider to join us by subscribing and activating your bell icon. Come on in and let's begin. I have here with me some fresh mango, coconut, Nido, condensed milk, evaporated milk, my ABELEWALLS carbs and sugar. To start with, I have deshelled the coconut and I'm going to go ahead and chop them into smaller pieces. I'm using one whole dry coconut to make this ABELEWALLS. Once that is done, I will add the coconut water and blend it smoothly. The next thing we will do is to juice this out. Yes, let's go ahead and get all the juicy coconut milk out. And in fact, with this, you can use the chaff to make your coconut flour and use in your cakes and pancakes as well. So please reserve this. Put it on the hob, and in a separate bowl, I went in with 1.5 tablespoons of regular flour, plain flour, and I'll go ahead and add some of the coconut milk and mix everything together. Once it is mixed up, I went ahead and poured it in and then began to stir under the fire. This does not take too long to be ready. In all, it took about 4 minutes or so. You want it to start heating up, and as soon as it begins to bubble, turn off the cooker and allow this to cool down completely. It has thickened up nicely, giving us a nice base for our ABELEWALLS. Next, I have my fresh mangoes here. They are nice and juicy. It tastes so sweet, these mangoes. So I'll go ahead and remove the flesh from the skin. And as usual, I'm going to leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box for you. Okay, next thing we will do, my dear, is to put all our fresh mangoes in a blender and add just a little bit of water to blend with. Now it is done, and just as we did with the coconut milk, going to go ahead and pass this through the net as well to give us a glossy, shiny, smooth mango puree. It is done. Just look at how beautiful it is. And thank you so much to all my returning subscribers for the love, for coming back to watch, for leaving me a comment and liking my videos. I so very much appreciate you. Thank you so very much. I cannot thank you enough. The next thing for us to do is to add condensed milk into our mango puree. And now I'm going to give it a good stir up until it is mixed up. At this stage, it tastes delicious. It is creamy and you are just going to be addicted to this. Now our coconut milk has cooled down very well, and we're going to go ahead and add some Nido and then stir everything together until it dissolves completely. I do really hope that after watching this, you give this ABELEWALLS a try. It would be your favorite, I promise. Now it is ready. I'm going to go ahead and pour our coconut into our delicious mango puree. Look at how creamy and silky this looks. So I went in and topped it up with the much needed evaporated milk to give it that distinct, delicious flavor as well. Hey, milky, nanka half nanka me use so I say ya broso and water. At this stage, you want to taste, and if you need, you can add sugar at this stage. Mine is perfect. Stir everything together, and then I'm going to pour it into a measuring cup. Next, we will fill up the Abelewalls cups. And a quick tip here, make sure to fill it in such a way that it goes slightly over halfway so that the sticks are stuck in properly without it falling easily once it is done. Afei, baby aye drew no yedi sticks no eba behye Abelewalls nim kama and sana ye freezy. Odo pomodin ya ne ye bi ma bisiafo no mo bepe. Now it is ready and they are in the freezer. As you can see, I'm going to leave it in overnight. You can leave it in there for 2 days too if you wish. If you can, find a separate spot in your freezer away from fish and meat for your Abelewalls. Let's go ahead and place them in some cold water. You want to wait for about 10 seconds or so until look, the sides loosen up, and then it is ready to take these gorgeous, delicious Abelewalls out. So who said ye esi aye kama, they speak for themselves. These Abelewalls, it tastes incredibly delicious and creamy, and like I said, the fresh mangoes gives it a refreshing, fruity, delicious taste, whilst the coconut gives it intense creaminess. Make this at home, make this to sell, and everybody will love you. Thank you so much for leaving a like on the video. I'll see you in my next upload. Take care. Bye bye.